Hello everyone, my name is Lunga Kanyile from Taps Forex. I want to show you how to use trend lines in your Forex trading. So we're currently on gold daily time frame. Let's quickly take our trend line and maybe switch to line charts, and we will construct our points like this all the way up. Then we want to look for another matching points. Then we start from this one all the way up. So we can now see that the price is currently trending inside the ascending channel. As you can see, the price is forming higher highs and high lows. Higher highs, the price might come back down to give us new high lows and go all the way up. And also it can break this trend line and go further downwards. So both scenarios are possible. So let me quickly remove this line of mine. So if maybe we want to take a sell position, we can start from this level going all the way down like this, all the way down to this ascending trend line. As you can already see that we have a strong pin bar of rejection right here, right from our second trend line on this point, caused by this previous strong resistance right here. As you can see, let's just construct this horizontal line as our resistance. You can see that the price failed to close above this resistance. So the price might come back down to this ascending trend line. So that is how you use your trend line in your Forex trading to identify your entry levels. So that's it for now. I'm Lunga Kanyile from Taps Forex. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye.